This weekend I'm going to Dixfield, DIX Field, and I'm gonna have some fun there. I'm going to a property that it's actually my dad's property, or my stepmother's property, and it's the house is from 1900s. Like they have a garage. It's a huge garage, and the butler would stay upstairs in the garage. It's a huge garage. Anyway, it's a cool old place by the Androscoggin River, and they found some cool bottles, so it should be a good time. I'm not just going down there to say, hey, yeah, let me detect your property. He lost a collar, their dog collar, their collar for their dog. There we go. And I'm gonna try to help find it and metal detect at the same time. So good times. Cannot wait. Mainly dig out. Good morning. I am the Mainly Digger, and this video is about taking apart or disassembling the Garrett carrot or any Garrett Pin-pointer. I'm not a professional. I had an issue with the Garrett carrot, and it's water got into the electronics part of it. So I've had it for over 2 years. I've used and abused it. It's not Garrett, the company's fault. It's just use and abuse. And plus, I decided maybe if I clean it out, do a little maintenance on it like I should have in the beginning, then it might work again, hopefully. It's like, I don't know, taking your pet to the vet, knowing you might not make it. But I get to take it apart, so I'll show you how easy it is to take apart. It's very easy to disassemble. So quick warning before I start this video: if you are still on warranty with your Pinpointer or any Garrett product, don't take it apart. Don't. I did it because I knew my Pinpointer is out of warranty. It's been out of warranty for a while. Like I said, I've had it for a while and I've used and abused it. But any Garrett product, don't take it apart when it's in warranty. If it's still in warranty, just send it back in. Easiest way to handle it. I just like looking at the inside of stuff and to see if I can fix it. Which, spoiler, I could not fix this, and I had to send it off. It was sad times. Mainly dig out. Never been really attached to any type of gear, but for whatever reason, I'm seriously attached to this Pinpointer. I've had multiple metal detecting machines, and this Pinpointer has been on all my adventures. It's been on my side the whole time. So it's like losing a pet, or when like a pet gets sick. That's what I can compare this feeling to. Anyway, Garrett makes an amazing machine regardless of what it is. I just wanted to point out that it's not the machine's fault, or it's not the Garrett's fault for this malfunction. It's my own fault. Use, wear, and tear on the Pinpointer. I've taken it everywhere. I've dunked it in water before and have had no issues. So it's something that I did. So here is the Garrett Pinpointer, the Garrett carrot. Very simple, very easy. I've already taken it out. It is one screw to take apart the whole thing. There's the screw hole. Here is the screw. Here's the top of the Garrett carrot. And one thing I didn't know, and I found out, is to take the body or the inside out, you need to push down on the button.
Push down on the button.
And then pull it out. So yesterday I was reefing on it pretty hard to get it out. Don't do that. This is the button here. You press down, and it presses down on this button and it pulls out. So the problem I was having, besides water, well, what led to finding out that there was water in the Garrett carrot, was it was it wasn't detecting anything. It was making a whole bunch of noises. The light was the indicator for me, and the fact that it wasn't detecting anything, but the light would flash like it was low on battery. So I recharged the batteries, or the battery, and it was still doing the same thing. So that led me to take this apart and find out there was a lot of water. Not a lot, but enough water. So what I did, and I hope worked, is I put the body, or this part, I put the electronics in this bag with the silica packet, and hopefully it'll dry it out, or it had dried it out. We will see. So the only thing you need to take this apart or disassemble the Garrett Pin-pointer is a small screwdriver, or a set of small screwdrivers. Very easy, very simple. You can see I have a small set of screwdrivers in here, and it works. I use the set for everything. So it's awesome, very easy to disassemble. So reassembly, if you look inside, you'll see kind of like a slot. You're gonna put this side into that slot, and you'll see the light. Very easy. You'll see the light goes right there. If you can see it, I'm putting my finger so you can see the light. There we go. It goes right there. Simple and easy. So I just sent my Pinpointer off in the mail, through the mail, to Garrett in Texas, or the Garrett Repairs in Texas, and it's like I don't know, taking your pet to the vet knowing you might not make it. I don't know, it's a weird feeling. I don't like it at all. All right, my video's over with. This weekend I'm going to Dixfield, DIX Field, and I'm gonna have some fun there. I'm going to a property that it's actually my dad's property, or my stepmother's property, and it's the house from 1900s. Like they have a garage. It's a huge garage, and the butler would stay upstairs in the garage. It's a huge garage. Anyway, it's a cool old place by the Androscoggin River, and they found some cool bottles, so it should be a good time. I'm not just going down there to say, hey, yeah, let me detect your property. He lost a collar, their dog collar, their collar for their dog. There we go. And I'm gonna try to help find it and metal detect at the same time. So good times, cannot wait. Mainly dig out.